Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to use graphing techniques in Geogebra. So the first thing you have to do is go to Google, type in Geogebra. Pretty straightforward. You go to the very first link that pops up, which says free math apps. You start your graphing calculator. Now over here you have two sets of table of values. We're going to say that's data A and data B. All you have to do is understand that X and Y are your coordinates and graph it down. So if we have a look over here, okay, my first coordinate is going to be 0, 7. Alright, so I'm going to type in bracket 0, 7, close bracket, and it gives you point A. Okay, I'm going to continue on. So the next one is going to be 1 over 14. So bracket 1, 14, same thing. We're going to go down, continue on, until we have covered every single data set for data A. So 5, 49. Now, don't panic if you guys do not see your graph yet. So what you need to do is zoom out, move your screen up. So when you zoom out, you'll start to see your coordinates, okay? What you need to do is if you want to draw a straight line, we go to this the second icon called Tools. Click on it. Underneath, we scroll down. You should see under the line section, you can construct a segment, a line, array, or a vector. We want a straight line because we want it to go indefinitely for both ends. So you click on the lowest point A, the furthest point E, and that is your straight line there. Okay, now if we go back to our algebra calculator, the very first icon, what you can see is that it has constructed you the linear equation for that. Because this data is called data A, we want to label it as data A. So we go back to your tools. There should be a section where you can add in your text. So there is a media. Under media you can put text. Position it near your line, wherever you want your line to be. And I'm going to type it down as data A. I'm going to click OK. And that's how I labeled that as my data A. We're going to do the same thing for data B. So you don't need to erase anything, you continue on. So my first coordinate is going to be 0, 10. So bracket 0, 10, close bracket, and press enter. So that's my next coordinate there. We do the same thing. So the next coordinate is going to be 1, 15. So bracket 1, 15 generates the next coordinate, and you do so for the rest of your table of values. So 5 and 35. Oops, I wrote 25 instead of 35. Okay, so once you have done that, we're going to do the same technique. We're going to construct a line. So we go to our middle section where it's tools. We're going to click on the line section. You want a straight line. The lowest point is G. Your highest point is L. So we want to connect those two together. So G and L. What you can see is it's generated another straight line. Okay. Because we have data A that overlaps there, we can always move it. So if you click on move, you're able to move your text. Okay. We're going to add another text for this one. And that's going to be data B. So, okay, and that's my data B. You can zoom in to find your point of intersection. You can zoom out to see the whole bigger picture. There is a lot of things you can do with this. To find your point of intersection, if you just click on it, it would show you your point of intersection there. Okay? That's all you guys need to know. Bye.